Wake up, Daisy, time to play. Set up your fruit stand for the day. Apples red and carrots bright, stacked in baskets left and right. Quack, quack, time to sell. Everything is fresh and swell.
Raincoat on and mail and wing, Daisy's got some notes to bring. Through the puddles off she goes, splashing water with her toes. Pedal, honk, and drop the post, she's the duck we love the most.
In the kitchen, what a sight, flowers flying left and right. Mixing batter, eggs go crack, she licks her beak and dances back. Muffins rising, smell so sweet, a baking duck can't be beat. Down the rows of yummy food, Daisy's in a shopping mood. Cheese and berries, leafy greens, and flower stands in pastel scenes. Hello goat, a jar of jam, Daisy winks and says I am.
Blanket down, it's picnic time, lemonade and melon rind. Turtle munches, bunny hops, Daisy waves as juice cup pops. Sharing snacks with all her friends, joy like this just never ends.
1, 2, 3, she flaps her wings, ready for the flighty things. Off the haystack she goes, into a pile just ducky toes. Not quite flying, but she's bold, laughing as the hay unfolds.
Straw hat on, she grabs her rake, tending rows for veggie's sake. Tomatoes ripe, carrots deep, butterflies in gentle sweep. Water here and sunshine there, Daisy grows with ducky care.
Climb aboard, the farm train's here, Daisy's voice rings loud and clear. Waving flags, the whistle blows, past the corn and rooster rows. Sheep and piglets all on board, through the fields the duck adored.
Quiet now, the pages turn, lots of lovely words to learn. Reading tales of sky and sea, curled up in a nook happily. Fairy lights and stories sweet, Daisy's day is near complete.
Tent is up, the fire's warm, stars peek out past fields of corn. S'mores in beak and a lantern glow, she sings a tune so soft and slow. Fireflies in nighttime breeze, dreaming duck beneath the tree.